Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to fix error code 1001 underscore 1 in Honkai Star Rail. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to check the server status of the game. Okay? So if you want to check the server status, just go ahead and open your Twitter, okay, and search for the Honkai Star Rail. Okay, so this is their username on Twitter, and every time there's a scheduled maintenance or server issues on the game, they will announce it on this page. Okay, so if Honkai Star Rail post a video regarding with maintenance and server issues, so the only option that you have is to just go ahead and wait until the game is operational, okay? Because you cannot do anything when the game is under maintenance or there's a issue on the game, okay? So now once you see that Honkai Star Rail doesn't post anything regarding the maintenance issues or any problems with the game, what you can do is to just go ahead and turn off VPN if you are using VPN and AdGuard and any ad blocker software on your device, okay? Because this may interfere with the login process of the game. So the next thing that you can do is to change your DNS server, okay? So changing your DNS server may help you with this problem. Okay, so the next thing that you can do is to clear the game cache and data. So by doing this, this may also help you to fix this problem. And when you do all of the methods and it doesn't still work for you, the last thing that you can do is to uninstall the game and reinstall it again. Okay? So that's the different methods that you can do to fix this problem. Okay, so I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.